Day 1, the woman you become in 2026, starts here. Elegant identity reset. Stop for a second. Who were you before you learned to shrink? Before you became the version of yourself that everyone else could accept? Because the woman you are meant to become in 2026, she is not a new creation. She is a restoration. This is day 1 of designing an elegant life in 2026. And today we're starting with your feminine identity. The quiet, elegant, powerful woman you were before the noise, the pressure, and the performance. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to give you a short exercise that will expose exactly where you lost yourself and what kind of woman you're truly meant to return to this year. Welcome back, my love. My name is Elisa. I'm an elegant lifestyle educator, image consultant, and the founder of Return to Elegance Academy, where I teach women how to restore their life through appearance, behavior, and communication in a way that's deeply feminine, refined, and faith-rooted. Now, quick note before we begin. If you already know you want deeper guidance, not just inspiration, my full restoration masterclass is linked in the description. That is where we go step by step through identity, nervous system, quiet luxury appearance, home refinement, soft power, communication, relationships, and your full 2026 blueprint. This 7-day challenge is the doorway. The masterclass is the academy. Now let's begin. Women tell me something very specific, and it's almost always said the same way. Elisa, I look put together, but I feel unfinished inside. I'm doing the routines, I'm trying to be feminine, but it feels like I'm performing. And that sentence is the most honest thing a woman can say. Because many women don't actually need more tips. They need to stop living as the acceptable version of themselves. The version that is easy, low maintenance, strong, never too emotional, never too needy, always fine. And maybe you've become that woman so deeply that you don't even realize you're doing it anymore. You're not asking, what do I want? You're asking, what should I do? What will keep peace? What will make people approve? What will make me safe? And slowly, without noticing, your real self begins to disappear under responsibility. That's why you can have beautiful clothes, a nice perfume, a functioning life, and still feel like something is missing. Because the missing piece isn't aesthetic, the missing piece is self-concept. It's identity. And identity isn't motivational. Identity is structural. 1. Why what you tried doesn't work. Here's the part no one tells women. Most self-help fails because it teaches you habits, without touching the identity that sabotages them. So you try to level up with routines, glow-up lists, planners, high-value habits, soft life mornings. But you're still making decisions as the overgiver, the anxious one, the woman who waits for permission, the woman who doesn't want to be too much, the woman who thinks rest must be earned. So your habits never stick. Not because you're lazy, not because you're broken, but because your inner identity is contradicting your outer effort. And this is why so many women say, I keep starting over. Because you can't build a new life on an old identity. And this is where elegance becomes different than self-improvement. Elegance is not performance. Elegance is alignment. When your identity becomes clear, your life stops feeling chaotic. You start moving with a quiet authority that people can feel. And in 2026, that is the woman we are designing. Pause here, because in part 2, I'm going to give you the 3-layer identity framework that will make you go, oh, This is why copying elegant women never worked for me. 2. The 3 layers of feminine identity. So let's make this simple, but powerful. Your feminine identity has 3 layers, and when these 3 layers are aligned, you don't have to force elegance. It becomes natural. But when one layer is missing, you feel that unfinished feeling. Layer 1, your feminine essence, how you naturally carry life. This is not a trend. It's the way God designed you to carry warmth, presence, receptivity, discernment. It's the kind of woman who can walk into a room and bring calm without even speaking. But many women lose access to this layer because they've lived too long in survival mode. And survival mode has a voice. It says, hurry, prove, defend, explain, control. So a woman can look soft, but her inner posture is still clenched, and the world can feel it. Elegant women don't just dress softly, they live softly in the nervous system, in the posture, in the pace. And yes, Module 1 of my masterclass is literally built around this. Nervous system reset plus feminine foundations, because without it, everything else becomes performance. Layer 2, your values and standards, what you allow plus what you refuse. This is where a woman becomes high value without trying, because standards aren't arrogance, standards are self-respect. A woman with standards doesn't over-explain, doesn't overgive, doesn't bargain with disrespect, doesn't keep chaos close, and the difference is immediate. 2 women can be equally kind, but one is always drained, and the other is always respected. Why? Standards. A woman without standards will call it love while abandoning herself. A woman with standards will call it love while honoring her peace. This is why in 2026, we are not just becoming prettier, we are becoming clearer. Layer 3, your unique expression, your visible signature. This is where many women get confused because they think elegance is beige, minimal, quiet luxury trends, copying the it girl. But elegance is not copying. Elegance is coherence. It's when your face, your voice, your wardrobe, your home, your lifestyle all look like they belong to the same woman. This is why you can admire a princess, a queen, or a celebrity, and when you try to copy the exact outfit, it somehow doesn't land the same. Because she is not only wearing clothes, she is wearing identity. She knows her structure, her essence, her colors, her silhouette language, her presence language. That's why it looks effortless. And this is exactly what we teach in Module 3 of my masterclass, Quiet Luxury Appearance Rebuild, Face, Body, Harmony, Signature Style Architecture, not shopping, not trends, actual identity-based styling. The truth, most women aren't lacking discipline, they're lacking design, and design starts with identity. Now, I want you to do a simple exercise that will reveal which of these 3 layers you've been neglecting, and it's going to be emotional for some of you, but in a good way. 3 challenge exercise. Take 1 page, title it, The Elegant Woman I Was Before, and write 3 things. 1. How I expressed joy when I was a girl, before you became responsible, before you became the strong one. What did you do naturally that made you feel alive? Was it dressing up, writing, singing, decorating your space, walking outside and daydreaming, caring for others in a beautiful way? Write it. 2. What I believed about myself without question. Before people's opinions entered your nervous system, maybe you believed, I am worthy, I am chosen, I am creative, I am beautiful. I am safe. Write whatever comes. 3. What I started to hide to be accepted. This is the key question. What part of you did you soft kill to stay loved? Was it your standards, your voice, your femininity, your desire to be cherished, your elegance, your sensitivity, your ambition? Write it honestly. Now listen to me. This is not the full identity process I teach inside the masterclass. This is only a glimpse. But if you do this exercise seriously, it will expose what 2026 needs to restore. And I want to say this gently. If as you're writing, you feel like, I need to do this properly, I need guidance, I don't want to guess my way through healing and restoration, that is exactly why my Restoration Masterclass exists. Because identity isn't fixed with one good journal session. It's rebuilt through structure, reflection, training, support, consistency, and that's what an academy is for. But for now, do today's exercise. Don't just watch. For future pace. Now imagine something with me. Imagine entering 2026 as a woman who knows herself. Not knows herself like a quote, but knows herself in practice. A woman who has a clear standard for her life. A quiet pace that cannot be rushed. A wardrobe that finally looks like her. A home that supports her nervous system. A voice that opens doors without trying to be loud. Relationships that feel safe, not draining. That kind of woman doesn't try to level up. She simply lives from a different identity, and you can feel it. That is why people call it elegant, high value, quietly magnetic, expensive, calm, but it's not about money. It's about inner order becoming visible. And this is what I want for you, not a performance glow-up, a restoration. So here is my invitation. If day one already touched something in you, if you felt grief or clarity, or even that quiet whisper of this is me, then please don't ignore it. Because you don't need more inspiration. You need a guided path. That path is my Restoration Masterclass inside Return to Elegance Academy. And inside it, we go module by module. Nervous system and feminine foundations. Identity and self-concept. Quiet luxury appearance rebuild. Home elegance and lifestyle refinement. Soft power behavior and emotional mastery. Communication, presence, relationships. And your full 2026 Elegant Life Blueprint. If you're ready, the link is in the description. And if you're not ready yet, stay with me for this challenge. But please, do not drift into 2026 unconsciously. Tomorrow is day 2, and we're talking about elegant boundaries and soft power. How to stop being everyone's emotional home. How to stop being the easy one, and how to become high value without hardness. I'll see you tomorrow, my love. And for today, write the page, do the exercise. Because the woman you're becoming in 2026, she begins with one honest return.